Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I will be doing a quick Bantu knot tutorial. I started with my hair freshly washed and retwisted only with oils and water. I separated each knot into 4 locks because I have about 48 locks, so I'm going to create 8 Bantu knots. So I took the 4 locks, wrapped it all together, going clockwise, and then created the knot. I used a rubber band to secure the knot, and there you go. So I'm gonna do it again right here. So you're gonna keep wrapping the hair and securing it with your other hand so that it stays in place. Wrap the ends of the hair as you go and fit them in underneath the knot. Use the rubber band and make sure that the ends of the locks are secured. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you this one more time. We're gonna take the 4 locks and go ahead and twist it. Keeping it secured as we go, wrapping it and fitting it underneath the knot until we get to the end. And there you have it. It's really that simple. Trust me. I think now that you've gotten the hang of it, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair in super hyper speed. Make sure you stay tuned for end results, okay? I hope you're still watching. All done. Let's add some accessories. I got these little jewels on Amazon. They were about 100 pieces for $3.99. They do sell these at the beauty supply store, but I feel like the color fades way too quickly. I wash my hair with these in and the color never fades. I'm just gonna do a quick gelling of my edges. I should have probably done this before my makeup, but oops, next time. there you have it, guys. I am all done. Makeup done, hair done, edges laid. I'm not going anywhere in particular, I just felt like being dolled up. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed that quick video. How about you hit the subscribe button down below, shoot us a comment, hit that like button, and maybe we'll see you in the next video. Yeah, I think so. See you guys then. Bye.